Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Right here I got my 2015 Dodge Challenger RT, and for the past year or so, me and my dad have been completely rebuilding this thing from a rolled state. This thing was all wrecked, and now it's looking beautiful because we just finished doing a full paint job on this thing. But as you see, the front bumper's not on, and a couple other parts aren't on, and that's because they're not painted yet. We couldn't fit them all in the booth at the same time. So in this video, we're gonna finally finish this entire paint job, get all those parts painted. So let's go get them in the booth and get painting. Alright, so we're just taking out all these plastic trims because I already did this bottom one, but it's going to make it much easier because this does sit flush with the outside, and since we're going to be repainting it all, we don't want to have a paint line running along that. It's a bit of a pain to get out because it's got all these tabs and stuff, but we are managing to get it out. And for this one, this whole grill, we're probably going to leave in because that is really hard to get in. Because this is a brand new bumper we bought already. We ended up putting all this in, and it's all just really hard clips. So we managed to get that bottom opening out, but we're gonna leave that one in, and we're probably just gonna have to mask a really tight line along the bottom. Hopefully that will turn out good, but for now, we're just gonna hopefully just get the bumper by itself, then we can just paint that, and then that's the only thing we'll have to mask off. Nice. It's loose. Wow.
Plastic junk.
Whoa. Alright guys, we are actually going to be repainting these handles as well, and as you see, we actually managed to get that cover off there. My dad's kind of figured out a way to get them off. They are really tricky, but these covers actually can come off separately from the handle, so that will be way nicer instead of having to mask that all off. And we want to paint them, even though they are green, they're not going to be the same green as what's on the car right now. So we want to make it all match nicely because the green is a bit different. So we're going to be painting these as well. Alright guys, just finished mixing up the paint, and the way we're going to be doing this is actually with a base coat, and this is the base coat right here. So it's just a simple solid color, no fancy metallics in it or anything. This is our ground coat, and there you go. It's a very simple color, and then this will be just for the front bumper and the mirrors because they are black, and the fancy color, which we actually have over here, we still have some left over from when we painted the car, so this is the fancy expensive color, and then that will be the final layer over everything. But because it's black, this is kind of transparent, so we want to put down a ground coat first. So we're going to do one coat of the ground and then probably 1 or 2 coats of the fancy stuff on top. So let's get this in the gun and get spraying. Alright guys, we just finished putting on the fancy color and man is it looking good. And now we're ready to put the final clear coat on. What is the clear coat, Dad?
We're using Limco LC 4200.
Oh yeah.
It's good clear. It's a cheap end.
Yeah,
Kinda
you've
clear.
always used it.
Yeah.
And the clear coat basically gives you that final finish, protective layer and UV protection so that your paint doesn't fade and all that good stuff, right?
Yeah, it gives it the shine.
Yeah.
This stuff polishes up really nice too.
Oh yeah, because we're going to be polishing the whole car later.
Yeah.
And so we're going to put on quite a few layers of that so that we can polish it all after. And this will really make the color pop. So let's get spraying. Alright guys, it is a couple days later and we got the rear bumper and the front bumper sitting right there and we got the car right behind us. So now we can finally get those parts back on the car. But before we do that, we actually have to assemble that whole back bumper. And yeah, so I'm gonna get unmasking that and get that all put back together. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we just finished putting together the back bumper. That looks amazing. The black on green look, it's gonna be so sick when it's on the Challenger and everything's together. So that turned out good, and we got the front bumper. Take a look at that grille, unmasked it all, and it actually turned out really good. So I'm actually gonna start by putting the whole back of the car back together again. We're gonna slap that rear bumper on and it's gonna look insane. So let's get to it. beauty. All right, guys, we got the car back home, and man, is it looking amazing. Finally, we get to see this car all in one color. Like, it's so cool seeing the black on green finally with that front grille. The bumper turned out awesome. I love those mirrors. Finally looks like a car with some actual side mirrors on there. I'm glad we painted everything so that the whole color all matches everywhere. And the good news is we got some parts in finally. So we got an important one like the front windshield. So that whole front windshield can finally go on. It's in a big box, so that can go on, and then the sunroof still has to go in. So there's a bunch of stuff we still have to finish, but this is awesome that it's at this stage. So subscribe, stay notified so we can continue this series, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya. So let's go with those. Oh man, I can't talk. Oh, do that again.
Go.
How did I do it? 1 second.